Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos. I have took a little bit of time out from the Craft Fairy series because I wanted to make some more things for my Etsy shop because I've had a few sales, yay, and my journal, and I had a vintage ephemera pack that was sold, and I also had a set of pockets and corners tags for journals. So I've made 2 new sets, and these are both the same, so I don't need to show them both. You do get 10 pieces in the set, I should say. And this is my one of my journals I'm working on at the moment, so just to show you how these are used. These ones are not even decorated, so obviously these ones are. So let me show you these. So I have I had some die cuts, and I had 2 lots of each, so I thought I'd make 2 sets. And these are made from a Sherlock Holmes vintage book, and this has just got a pocket there, so you can let me get one of my things. So obviously you can use that as a pocket. You can put that in your book, and you can either just glue it down just on 2 sides and use it as a tuck. You can position it on your page and glue 3 sides, so you've got a tuck there and a tuck there. So that's that one. And then we have this tag pocket, same thing again. You know, you can put it in your journal and have it just as a pocket there, or a pocket at the back as well. I think I have one in this book, I think. Yep, this one here. Is that one? Oh, that one is just clipped onto the page, and that's the same sort of thing, and I've just clipped that on rather than fix it down. So it's entirely up to you what you do with it. So that's the second one. And you know, they've all got fabric and lace, and they've all been sewn around, and some have got little flower embellishments and some decoupage there. So that has different lace there and a trim on that one. And we have a corner pocket, and this has just got some cheesecloth and some cloth fabric, and it's been sewn on. And obviously this is a corner tuck pocket. They're so pretty, these butterflies. Oh, did I go out of shot then? Sorry, I've changed my camera back, and I'm like, oh, I hope I got the other one in. Then I have this fold over pocket, and it's the same again. You can use it and have 2 pockets in your journal, and that's just got some lace and a lovely butterfly and this gorgeous decoupage, and just sewn all around. This is almost a triple pocket, so you have a pocket there, and a pocket there. And I just love the butterflies on here, and this has got lovely fabric and lace, and like I said, and I haven't actually got this one in my other journal. I've just got it with just 1 pocket, so I added another pocket there. And then we have this fold over. Now these are not my ideas, these pockets. Patricia Vermonte's, she is my goddess, and I just love her. And let me get a smaller tag there. So this is a little pocket there, and then you can also use that as a pocket, or you can glue it down on those 3 sides and have it there and there. It's entirely up to you. This is a corner pocket that goes on the top of the page, and just beautiful flower and just some lace, and I've just sewn that around. And we have this one, which is completely covered in lace and has this lovely die cut, and again it is sewn around, and you would just use it as your pocket here. And then we have this one, which I've put a lot more fabric on this and just ruffled it, and again you've got a pocket there and a pocket at the back there. And this one, the last one, is a fold over pocket. So let me show you from the journal. I think I've got one in here. Yeah, so you would just fold it over the page like that, and I just use a paper clip to hold that on, and you've got pocket there, and obviously it's fixed on. So that's all you would do. You would just fold this over a page and then clip that on. So basically this is a lovely set, and you know, it's enough to actually put in a journal where you wouldn't need to put too much else in there. So those are the two oops, I've just dropped that, sets that we have. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there should be 10 in there. 1, 2, 3, whoops, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 in each set, and they're just I just love them, and I've got to use up some of my die cuts that I have there. Just love them. So if you're interested in these sets, they will be on my, oops, put the camera that way, Chanel, in my Etsy store later on today. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. I will be back in a bit with some freebies, so watch this space. My hands are back, see. Okay, take care, bye bye.